Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel. So today I want to share the tutorial how to talk on Google Chat. So let's open Google Chat first. Okay, so here I already opened my Google Chat. So Google Chat doesn't provide any voice message on this application. So I will show you. There is no voice text here. So if you can see, there is no voice text, there is no microphone that we can access here. There is no voice text. So how to talk into this application is just go by clicking this camera symbol and go with chat audio. And when you click this chat audio, you will be generated into the Gmail and you will be able to talk in Gmail call with your friend. And that's all the way how you talk in Google Chat, since there is no voice since there is no voice message provided by this application. So the only way you can talk in this application is by doing the chat audio or call. And that's all the way you do the call or you do talk in Google Chat. If you find that this video is really useful for you guys, don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel.